your partner for an automated world. UTECO is a technical equipment provider in the field of automation, with expertise in industrial and marine applications and infrastructure projects since 1972. The company holds a strong position with 6 business units, from sensors production division to the electric vehicle chargers. UTECO embraces all the latest innovations. We exclusively represent leading brands that meet customers' needs for specialized products such as sensors, instrumentation and process control systems, power automation systems, and special cables by providing reliable solutions. Continuing a history of 50 years of leadership, experience, and vast knowledge in manufacturing temperature sensors for temperature and level, UTECO is driven and underpinned by a commitment to technological innovation, green energy, and passion for excellence to various business sectors in Greece and in more than 35 countries, helping customers to endorse automation. We design and manufacture sensors for all applications by ensuring accuracy, reliability, customization, and long life cycle in the world's most widely used type of measurement. Some of the list of our products includes thermocouple, resistance thermometer, thermistor, thermowells, level switches, temperature transmitters, and wireless sensors. Our technology performance is always ahead. UTECO's full product portfolio can meet all industrial and shipping needs in various applications and working environments. As exclusive partner of Mitsubishi Electric Factory Automation Division, we provide complete solutions with high-quality products such as PLC, inverters, HMI, servo, robots, low-voltage switchgear, and SCADA. We exclusively represent global brands by creating reliable solutions. Our division specializes in the provision of integrated solutions regarding instruments and sensing automation, able to cover every measurement and control application. Our success lies in our values for uncompromising quality, combined with our long-term experience and vast knowledge, able to cover any demanding need. UTECO's Cables and Components Department secures the accurate transmission of your data, providing advanced and technological solutions for choosing the right type of cable out of a broad portfolio of marine, high-temperature cables, thermocouple, and instrumentation cables. UTECO, remaining loyal to its vision of looking forward to cutting-edge technologies, including smart transportation solutions. We offer a total EV charging solution for fast charging stations with reliable and robust connectivity. Together with power electronics, we support sustainable e-mobility by combining expertise and the vision for a greener future. One of UTECO's top priorities is to ensure smooth deployment of the products and services that we provide to our customers. Our Technical Services Division's main charter lies in providing responsible and professional quality service and support excellence by exceeding our customers' expectations. Through corporate social responsibility, UTECO expresses its continuous commitment to attaining sustainable development, preventing the risks related to human resources management and the company's presence in the market, contributing to the development of a trustful climate in which the company can carry out business and innovation. Following our purpose and leveraging our strong position and expertise in the market, we aim to create superior value for all our stakeholders by pushing the boundaries of technology in everything we do. Welcome to the world of automation.